Hello everyone, good evening. First of all, I would like thanks to ICI and AIIC committee members for giving these opportunities. As all of you know that there are many AI tools available in the market, which are free and also paid, like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, etc. But they are free up to the limited version. After that, you have to pay for that. So now I am focused on the free version tool, which is AI based, that is free for your lifetime and very helpful for the CA members in industries and in practice for and also their SME clients. The one of the most powerful business analytic tool is Power BI. I am not going into the details of the Power BI, but just focus on the AI feature of the Power BI. Let's start. I am sharing my screen. Is my screen visible to everyone? Is my screen visible to everyone?
No. Tech team, please help.
Yeah, please share your entire screen. It's not visible.
Not visible?
No.
Now?
Yes, now it's started coming.
Now it is visible?
Yes, now it's visible.
Okay, fine. As now you can see that there is powerful dashboard on my screen. I am preparing this within just 15 minutes by using the AI feature of the Power BI. Another power feature of the BI is the dynamic filter. What is dynamic filter? Just select any one element, you can see that it highlights all the portions related to that element in all the charts. Like just I selected sale of invoice. You see, with respect to that elements, all the highlighted portions in all the charts, like sale in city, that is Maharashtra, in which product line, like fashion accessories, and how much income will be coming from that invoice. So how this can be done in simple manner, let's start a new project. You can select it from the file option. I have already selected. This is the new project. Here there are many options of importing the data, like from Excel, SQL, JSON file, CSV file. I have already preparing my sampling data. This is my sample data, which I have uploading that. This is my CSV file. So I select CSV and connect. It takes few seconds. It takes time in importing the data. But it is very easy to use and simple too. Now the data is imported. You can also manipulate data here also. Now load. After loading that, you can see that there is blank dashboard open. It takes few seconds. It takes time. I have seen to you already downloaded blank dashboard. Oh, it's uploaded.
Tech team, please help.
I have seen.
Yeah. So you start sharing again.
Start sharing again. This is the blank dashboard open here. Is this screen visible? Is this screen visible?
It's started coming. Yeah, now it's coming.
Okay. As you seen that there is blank dashboard open and there are many visualization tools here. But we will focus on one of the tool, that is Q&A. This is very simple tool. Just click on it, Q&A, and write down your queries in the question bar. Now you can see that by writing your prompts or questions, how it can automatically create a chart for you. Like, I want map for sales by city. Just enter. You can see that it automatically creates a chart for you. Now convert into standard visualization. You can see in few minutes, it can create a chart automatically. There is no need of much technical knowledge. Just write your query and it automatically creates a chart. If you want to create another various charts, like again, click on Q&A, write down your query like donut chart for sales by payment. Just enter. You see, it automatically creates a donut chart for your payment. Just convert into standard visualization by clicking on this. You can create different type of charts by just writing down your query and it automatically creates. You can also change the chart here. Just go to this chart and select any one of the chart. Like I select pie chart, it automatically change. Like funnel chart, it automatically creates. If you want to compare top 10 customer, top 10 invoice idea, you can also do for it.
Attention, last 2 minutes remaining.
Yeah. Like Q&A. Map for top 10 things. Sorry. As you see, it shows top 10 customers. So now you can see that it is very simple tool and you can create this type of powerful dashboard in just 10 to 5 minutes. You can also question analysis also done here. Like what are the total sales? What are the total incomes? Just like, and you also get narrative summary as you seen on previous slide by the participants by using this feature. Now I conclude that it is very powerful tool for CA in practice and CA in industry, for reporting, for MIS, and for audit purpose, for analysis purpose. So it is totally free of cost for your lifetime. You have आपको कुछ जरूरत नहीं है पे करने की, because जैसे like ChatGPT, Cloud, Copilot, they are free up to the limited version. After that you have to pay for it, but it is totally free.
Time's up.
And it is easy to use, and you can handle it very simple manner. Thanks.